What's happening, man? It's your boy. You already know what it is. Listen, so today I decided to jump off in that water, find me a little toy, you know what I'm saying? Like, due to the pandemic and everything that's going on, we in the house, you know what I'm saying? So I say, man, I gotta find me something so I don't be bored, you know what I'm saying? Something to just, you know, keep me going. So check it out, man. Today, then what I got, y'all. Come a little closer, y'all. Got the old X. XMaxx 8S. So, you know what I'm saying? That's that big boy. You dig? Got the rock and roll. So I'm gonna get to the house and everything and charge them up, do an unboxing on it and everything, you know what I'm saying? Also, if you around the Atlanta area, come to the hobby shop here off of 138, Highway 138 in Stockbridge, Georgia. These folks are, you know what I'm saying, very friendly, helpful, informational, you know what I'm saying? They work with you, they ain't rushing you off and everything. They gonna get you informed on, you know, getting you along your way. Like if you new like me, cause this is my first time even jumping off in that water for something like this. If you new, they gonna sit there and explain stuff to you. You ain't gonna be running off, not knowing what's going on, you know what I'm saying? So, like I say, if you around this area right here, the Atlanta metro area, come down here and holler at these boys, for real. All right, so I'm back now, you know what I'm saying? So,
open a new barber shop.
Here go the man right here with the plan. Y'all might well get familiar with him because I'm new with it, you understand? So I'm sure we're going to be up here quite often. This my man, let him know what's your name?
Glenn from the hobby shop.
All right, Glenn from the hobby shop, all right?
You got nothing.
So basically, you know what I'm saying? Y'all might well go and get ready. Like I say, y'all going to be seeing him quite often because I don't know, we might run into something, you know what I'm saying? So like I say, come to the hobby shop right here in Stockbridge, Georgia if you're in the area. Off of Highway 138, you know what I'm saying?
Excuse me, man.
Traxxas right there, that's what I just got. It's that crate. Got all kind of stuff, man. Planes, model cars, paint, plane room, you know. I might get a plane one day, you never know, you know what I'm saying?
Take a flight.
Like the ego. So, I'm sure, you know, if you are into this right here, I'm sure y'all know what these are right here, especially this big boy here. He's a little out my price range, but maybe one day, you know, your boy might be able to get him one, you know. But they got all kind of stuff, man. Got what you want, got what you need. Yeah. These are the bodies right here. Yeah, all the bodies. Just in case you run into it, you got your bed, your shell crack on you. You know what I'm saying? Come get your nose. That would definitely be one. If I was to do it, I would get this one. They got the Challenger. Got that Richard Petty. If I was to get one of these races, it would be Richard Petty. Yeah. That one, dude. He got another one here. And matter of fact, all three of them, Richard Petty. Yeah. Got a little Escalade for you too. But yeah, that pretty much sums it up, man. They got everything you need in here, you know what I'm saying? Big, small, long or tall, they got you. Come holler at them. Alright, now, so we done made it to the house. I'm dying to tear this box open, okay? So I haven't opened it up yet. We gonna open it up together, alright? So let's jump right in now. Got the old pocket.
Like you did. Yeah, they showed up that it taped up, huh?
That thing go 50 miles per hour.
That's what it say. I don't know. You know, you can do a few things here, you know what I'm saying, to make it do what it's supposed to do. You know? Oh boy, man. Look at that. I'm talking about it fills the whole box. Some stuff, you know what I'm saying? It be like a potato chip bag, big bag, but it be way down here. Like this thing really fill the box up.
It's a workout.
Oh, this is the remote right here. Oh, that's nice.
That is nice. Oh, it's a wheel. Turn around. Look.
It feels kind of cheap. I don't know because the battery's not in it.
You gotta get heavier, I'm sure.
Oh, yeah. Few little tools that come with. Allen wrenches. I guess it's for the rug. We'll get on that later. Ah. Ooh, yeah. Man. Let me slide it. Oh, man, that thing ain't that big, man. Let me get this out of the way. Look at this here. Okay. Let's see how you. Oh, lift up on it. Ah.
Oh, to get the. Oh, that's the only part that was in the plastic. Oh, I see now.
Okay, so we got these zip ties on here. Let's see. This the back, cause it's the wheeling bar. Well, I just took it off right here. You know what? I'm gonna have to give me some cutters, man, cause that ain't gonna go with this knife. Cut that. I don't know what them scissors gonna do though. They may or may not. Oh, yeah. He jumped up.
Yeah.
Stand up, big boy. Stand up, big boy. Let's get on that front, y'all. Stand up, big boy. Watch how he jump up now. I like that. Stand up, big boy. Yeah, you did.
He almost rolled off.
You better not do it.
First accident. Without the top.
So I just opened this up with y'all, man. I'm new to all this RC stuff. What a way to jump out there in that water, like, you know what I'm saying, with the big boy, you know what I'm saying. So, I think they got about 4 colors, 5 maybe. Green, red, orange, and this is the rock and roll color right here. I like this one better. I just like all the colors, man. It looks good, man. Get that rock and roll, man. I might play a little AC/DC while driving. Okay, so anyway, just wanted to show y'all, you know, the unboxing or whatever. Okay, got the batteries charging right now. So when they get fully charged, we're gonna take her out there on a spin, okay? We're gonna take her for a spin. All this doesn't come together, you know, things come separate, like the batteries separate, the charger separate from the truck, you know what I mean? So, hey, who knows how it's gonna turn out, you know what I'm saying? I know, I I'm excited, man. So I'm gonna let these batteries charge up, and we'll come right back with y'all, and we're gonna take it out for its first spin.
Alright, man, I just dropped the batteries in it. You hear them fans? Come here. You hear them fans running on it. Alright, here we go.
Dang, he gets far. That's crazy. That's why you want that big one.
Yeah.
They gonna run him over.
Wow.
Blew his top off. Get that naked car from off the road. Go close the door, baby. I still have my Joy on the refrigerator, on the door from Christmas. I need to take it off. Did you not lock it down good?
I don't know what happened. I don't know.
Whoa! Bring him back. He goes so fast. Oh my gosh. I'm scared of it. Gosh, I can't keep up with him. Yeah, you need to be in an open field. Until you get a good feel of him. Huh? Whoa, whoa, whoa! What'd you say, baby? This is a tough boy here. God! God, dog! I just want us to go in the house. I'm scared somebody will hit that corner, and we ain't gonna be, you know, just go. I'd rather go on and just put him up. Let's go put him up. I just feel like somebody gonna come around that curve, and they ain't gonna be looking for it. vest. Go on, boy. Get back. You know not to take him back down.
Every time you put that bitch in reverse, man. Wrap this one up right now for right now. I might take it out later to get it in the grass. I can't control it, man. I don't know what I'm doing. I done wrecked it, ran into somebody's car, all that already. Not even out here 10 minutes, good 5 minutes. So that's gonna conclude it for right now. Like I said, I might bring it back later. Hey, this thing is so fast. Like the size of it, man, it ain't what you think. Like if you watch videos on this car, man, the size, I'm telling you, man, it's big, man. This thing will fly. This thing is very impressive, man. You got to know what you're doing though, man. You can't just get on here, man. If you a beginner, man, I'm telling you, be in some grass or something, you will throw the bucket, man. Can't get it to wind out like I really wanted to.